Around the home. IELTS Cue Card. Describe a home you have lived in. You should say what kind of place it was, what the rooms were like, what you liked about it, and explain how you felt living there. Sample answer. I once lived in a small place with just one room for sleeping, a tiny cooking area, and a washing place. When I moved there, I was still a student, so it was enough for me. I used to rest on a little sofa that had soft cushions. The floor was wooden, and I had a rug under the table where I ate. The place had only one space for washing, and the tap sometimes didn't work well. Next to my bed, I had a thick cover instead of a thin sheet. I kept 2 pillows because one was not comfortable for me. There was a small machine for keeping food cold, and I used a cooker and oven to make simple meals. I also had a tiny machine for washing plates, which helped a lot. I studied at a desk in a corner. It was nice because it was quiet. Later, a friend came to stay, so he slept in the only extra area we had. It was not big, but it felt warm. I enjoyed that little home because it felt safe. Even though I didn't have a big living room, I always felt relaxed there. IELTS Speaking Part 3 Question 1. What makes a home comfortable? Answer 1. I think small things help a lot. For example, soft seats and a warm cover help you rest well. Good curtains or blinds also help because you can control the light. A quiet room makes you feel calm, and a nice kitchen where you can cook easily is important too. Question 2. Do you think it is better to live alone or with others? Answer. Living with someone is better for me because you can talk and share time together. You can also share space, like a study or spare room. But living alone may be better for people who like privacy. It depends on the person. Question 3. How have houses changed in your country? Answer. Now, more places have machines for washing clothes, and kitchens often have a fridge, freezer, and microwave. Modern homes also have more choice, like carpets or wooden floors, and some bedrooms have their own washing place, which is helpful. Question 4. Should children have their own room? Answer. I think it is good. It gives them their own space, so they can read or rest without problems. But in some families, children share, and that is also fine. It just depends on space at home. Question 5. Why do some people prefer living in a house instead of a flat? Answer. Some people like having a big area where they can move more freely. A house often has extra places for guests and a large cooking area. People may like having a small room for working too. It feels more private.